What's going on, guys? Tony Johnson here, Game Time Gurus, and we're in a live session, guys. So listen, we're behind the veil right now. This game is going on live. It just started, and we just want to kind of give you a glimpse of what we do and how we buy equity in this market, guys. So this is a live event. These numbers are going to change. I'm liking the over in this game tonight because it looks like Stafford and them that came out. Look, they got an alternate right now, 44.5. That's great value, guys. So what I'm going to probably do, looking at what I know about Green Bay and Detroit, I think I'm good for this one. So we're going to go ahead and pull the trigger on that one. We're going to see what we're going to put on it. Let's see what we'll put on it. Still got a lot of good value on that move. Matter of fact, 43.5. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and get 75 of that. I like that. 43.5. I like that. That's good. Give me that. So they gave me that, right? So we back. We're finna be back in position. And we're going to watch these guys, man. So I put in, so that's our wage, 43.5 over. They already scored 3 points on the Lions side. Matt Stafford not playing no games tonight. He looked sharp. He looked like he want to beat Aaron Rodgers. And but what I'm doing is betting on the scoring because I know A-Rod is going to score 2. So we'll see if we get that one over the fence. This is how we do it, man. Usually I'm a $10 guy. That's got a lot of price and equity on it. It's like an insurance bet. 43.5 for these two guys. I'll take that. So yeah. So we good. We got that one in. We're gonna see about some more stuff. Let's see here. We don't really deal with these props. But let's see. Where's the love at? Okay, the alternate lines. I like the first half line. So right now it's not looking too good. That's okay. I would take that right now, but I'm going to wait to see what the action says and then go from there. I like them. Oh, I like the team totals. Can the Lions go 22 tonight? Over 22. I think I like 21 a little better. We're going to see, but we got an over already on this game. Let's see what happens. I like that 43.5, guys. 75 to get 42. That's a good one. So what we're going to do is pause the video. It's a live session, guys. Just showing you how we get this money. I remember we made a Bitcoin deposit. We'll talk about that. Withdrawal. We'll talk about that a little later. But I'm going to pause that. I already put one move. Every time I put a move out, I'll cut it back on. All right. All right, guys, another move. Man, that over is looking pretty decent. We put another $40 bomb out here for Detroit to cover in the first half. We're trying to flip this money real quick in the first half. So let's see what happens.
That's the most pass yards in any first quarter in his career. And he does it on the road.
No.
Against a very good Packers defense.
You said 12?
As they set up the screen to Johnson, and Johnson able to utilize the blocks and is downfield. So add to the total as inside the 10.
They didn't mess me up. They didn't change the ways. Let me pause it, guys. I'm not going to buy that one. It's too high. What's up, guys? I keep forgetting to hit record when I make a move. So we got two great moves out here. Use a lot of our bankroll, but I like these moves, guys. So let me just show you real quick. We're still waiting on the decision. Under 9.5 in the Cards in the Nationals baseball. I was checking that one out too. And then right here, we got the Lions, Detroit to win the game. And then we got the over 43.5 with the Lions and the Packers. That's going to bring a lot right there. So Big dogs in the fight, guys. Big dogs in the fight. So we'll be back. Let you know how they came out. God bless. Quick update, guys. It's looking pretty good. 22 to 20. So we're at 42. We need one more point. It's 7 minutes left. Let's see what happens. Looks like a good dog in the fight. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. We will be back with an update. Hey, man, this is live action. We went all the way down to 71 cents. You know why? Because I saw some other moves that I bought. I bought the under at 50.5 in this game with 7 minutes left. So that was my insurance move to cover my bankroll. Plus, I got the baseball game. As I said, we saw that. Let's look at our transactions. So we got the under 50.5. We got the under 9.5. That one's kind of shaky right now. And then we got, oh, incomplete. That's all right. It's all good. It's all good. They're going to battle out for this last little point. But here we go. So the baseball is sweet. Baseball really sweet right now. Let's see what happens, guys. Be back. All right, Gurus Nation. So we're here back with the aftermath. So we came out on top. All of our moves dropped except one. We did what we bought. The Lions minus 1.5, but everything else, and we did that one really lightly. We did put 10 on that. But all our big dogs came through once again. Another win for the Game Time Gurus. We're going to check it out real quick. So we had, let's do this. Okay, so we had the over 43.5. We put 75 to win 42.86. We had Detroit with the 1.5. Like I said, put 10 to win 870. Under 9.5 in the baseball game and win 9. So we had that 0.5. We put 100 on. We put 100 on it to win 34.48. I put some weight on that just to win that little 34.48, but that's okay. Under 50.5, we put $41 on that to win $17. And so there we go. So we won the under 9.5, brought that home. Won the under 50.5, brought that money home. Won the over 43.5, brought that money home. And we lost a little small single $10 wage. So we lost a single, which was $10. I don't know when they got 30 up there. So anyway, put $10 out there on that one. So there we go. A live session, guys. That's just how we do it. We went in live. Let me show you what's going on right now. We might can troubleshoot a little bit of this basketball right now. We got the Warriors right now and the Lakers going at it in preseason. In a preseason game, I'd like the under. Let's see where it's at right now. We might be able to get in and get some good value. Maybe even an alternate under. Let's see what's going on. Oh, they're not playing like that in basketball right now. No alternates. But anyway, guys, be a live member. Get this coaching, get this training. Earn, learn. Before you know it, you'll be a Game Time Guru as well. Hit the button. Hey, man, if we're marketing this to you, it's because we know what we're doing, man. Hit the button. Let's get the winning. Let's get in the build our bankroll so we can get some payouts, guys. God bless you. Tony again. Live session, Game Time Gurus. I might put it on pause and see what I'm going to do on this basketball game just to give you a little extra thrill tonight. Let's see. All right, Nation, last update. Tony again with you. This is the aftermath. We did get into some basketball tonight, preseason. We got a couple of unders. Just want to show you, man, that we're doing what we always do, and that's go in here and find good lines to win on and keep our bankroll flowing. So you know what it was earlier. I put a 2 10s out. Let's go see them real quick, and we're gonna close this video out. So we know what we did here. So let's just look at the record. So we got all these wages put out. So right here, win, then another win, that's 3 and 1. And then last but not least, we got 2 unders. I got Golden State under 101.5 because they had their third string in. That was a beautiful move. Just put $10 out on it because it's preseason, and then also under 211 for both teams to go under, and both of them hit under 101.5, and also the 211 right here. So we won those, guys. So we're just letting you know, man. The name of our company is Game Time Gurus, the elite sports pick service where we make sports betting an investment. And so we're showing you how this is done. Going in, doing it live, buying platinum leverage, buying equity, making sure that you're on the side of winning money, and the profit's not that big right here. But the key is, hey, you never go broke as long as you're taking a profit, guys. Hey, man, I would love to show you guys how to do this. Me and my buddy, we do this on the regular. We want some camaraderie. And so, guys, if you love to be a member, go ahead and touch the button and go ahead and get started. We're going to close it out. It's late tonight, but 5 and 1 tonight. We did all this live. God bless you. We'll see you on the other side, guys.